So we've been trying to figure out a challenge for you to do for the past couple of weeks, and Jamie actually had an idea, but she's been sick and everything, so I figured I'd just do one by myself so you'd have something to do. And I'm not really good at doing, like, the theme challenges, like, the pirate and everything, doing like that by myself, so, or the rap, it was a rap. So I figured I would do a little bit of a different challenge. It's kind of dumb, and you're probably going to hate me. But your challenge is that you have to drink, and I was going to make it a whole gallon, but I narrowed it down to half a gallon because when I poured it, it looked like a lot more. You have to drink a half a gallon. My cat's scratching the door. You have to drink a half a gallon of something in exactly 8 minutes. That is your challenge. So I measured out what a half a gallon would be, and if you need to know, just like text me, because I have a little chart here that tells what it is. But like, a fourth a gallon is 4 cups, so a half a gallon would be 8 cups. So this is how much you have to drink. That is a half a gallon that I measured out, which is 8 cups in 8 minutes. That's a cup a minute. So, you're gonna hate me. You gotta measure it out and get you a cup, and it can be whatever you want it to be. It can be juicy juice, or it could be Coke, or it could even be tea. I like tea. Or whatever you want to drink, or it could just be water like what I have here. And you gotta measure it out, and it should look something along the lines like this, and drink it. The rules are, your camera has to roll the whole time for 8 minutes exactly, and after 8 minutes are up, if you haven't finished, you can just say, well, I failed, and cut the camera off or whatever. But it has to run the whole time, the whole 8 minutes. And if you get done early, of course you can cut it off. You don't have to sit there till it goes off after 8 minutes doing nothing. But that is your challenge. The rules just keep your camera rolling, and that's really the only rule. And it's due in a week. That'd be something to tell you, because we forgot to tell you last time. Yeah, that's it. So the phone's ringing. I gotta go drink your half a gallon and put it on YouTube and see you later. Bye.